play a game called Sound Effects. This is for Ryan and Colin, so guys, come on down. We're also going to need help of some volunteers from the audience, so let's find them now. Oh, yes. Hi, what's your name?
Katrina.
Katrina, wait for me here. And, hello, tell me your name.
Terry.
Terry, come with me, Terry. Come on down, go ahead. We're going to join Colin and Ryan on stage. Terry, I'm going to give you a microphone. That's for you. And Katrina, here's your microphone, ladies. Ooh. The way that this works is that Ryan and Colin are going to perform a scene, and Terry and Katrina are going to provide the sound effects, okay? So you really need to pay attention to what these guys are doing, and then when it looks like they need some sounds, provide those sounds with everything you have in your tiny, adorable bodies. And Katrina, you're going to do the sounds for Colin, and Terry, you're going to do the sounds for Ryan, okay? And the scene is that Ryan and Colin are astronauts about to blast off in their rockets and go to the International Space Station to tackle a rampaging alien. Take it away.
I tell you, I'm worried about this rampaging alien. My stomach's going funny just thinking about it.
I hear that. The seats and glass. Have something to eat.
I will.
I'll make you some tater tots.
Oh, big.
The microwave's broken. We have no time. Let me check with the tower, make sure everything's all right. Tower?
Answering.
Tower, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Are we clear for takeoff?
Not quite yet, until
I say we take off.
I do too. It's been 6 hours. They're never ready.
Hey, look, I got high score.
Okay, countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is wrong with you?
I'm very nervous.
What is wrong with you?
I'm so nervous.
Hurry up. Go change suits. We gotta get out of here.
Oh, no.
Put another suit on.
I'll just stay on this one.
How long are you staying in that suit
All right.
for? I'm giving that one. I'm putting it in the microwave.
Oh, bang.
Still not working. Good. Okay, this time I'm gonna fire the rockets.
All right.
It's gonna sound nothing like your flatulence.
Hey, I'm an astronaut.
4, 3, 2, 1. We're being chased by Indians. Would have thought that would happen.
It's okay, we left them.
Catch us.
They'll never. They're all on horses.
Oh.
All right, there's the space station.
I'm gonna unhook from my cord. That was a little painful, I gotta tell you.
Ghost!
What are you walking around like that for?
Oh.
Open the door, but step back when you do. There's gonna be a lot of suction. Nobody's been in there for months.
It wasn't that bad.
That was more of a gag.
It was. All right. Do you have your tricorder out to see if there's the alien?
I do. Let me take my tricorder out. Parrot. Why would I bring a parrot with me? Parrot does no good at all. It does me no good at all.
The alien is afraid of parrots.
Look, I'll tell you what. The Russians were aboard just a month ago. I'm sure they left a message here.
All right.
We'll figure out. It's probably in Russian.
No.
No. What's that mean? Look it up. No. All right.
Look. I hear something coming from the kitchen. I think we're going to be okay with this alien.
All right, it's supposed to be. I'm going to light up the flamethrower in case we have problems.
All right.
What is wrong with you?